These Irish soda bread rolls are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside and packed with Irish cheese. Here's how to bake a fresh batch. Start by preheating the oven and lining a baking tray with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. To the dry ingredients, add in your grated cheese and use a spatula to fold in the cheese. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and then pour in all of your buttermilk. Use the spatula to stir the dry ingredients into the buttermilk until just combined and still shaggy, then transfer onto a clean counter. Use a bench scraper and your hands to bring the dough together until there is no more dry bits. Then shape it into a large flat disc and use the bench scraper to cut it into 6 equal pieces. Take one piece of dough at a time and shape it into a round ball and then place it on the prepared baking sheet. Dust with a little bit of flour on top of each roll and then use a sharp serrated knife to cut a 1/4 inch deep cross on each roll. Place the tray in the preheated oven and bake for 15 minutes, turn the tray around and bake for another 3. Let the rolls cool for about 10 minutes before enjoying with some nice butter and of course some more Irish cheese. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.